What's up YouTube? Miguel and Maria here, and we've got 24 hours to spend here in Helsinki.
I think I've had salmon for every meal.
This is a damn near perfect late night food. I've never had bear before, and we have a little bit of bear in a cup.
I kind of want to pet it. It looks so fluffy. We just landed in Helsinki this afternoon. Now we are off to our first stop. We were trying to figure out what the main things are to do in Helsinki. A lot of lists said to definitely get one of their signature dishes, which is this huge cinnamon roll. There's definitely a Finnish name for it that we will learn and show when we get it. Like a really tight corner where this trolley just turned. Like if you were swinging your arms out, it would definitely hit you.
Pro tip, don't swing your arms out.
Swing your arms out in Finland. We really wanted to go and book a walking tour for this afternoon, but unfortunately it's sold out.
But we have the itinerary, so we're gonna try to go on our own path, follow the details, and I guess I'll be the guide for the group this time.
DIY walking tour with all the facts that Miguel learned from Wikipedia and probably a bunch of facts that he will make up.
And definitely a lot of mispronounced words.
Also, in terms of first impressions, another thing I noticed, especially on the way from the airport and now that we're walking around, is that there's really no traffic in Helsinki. There are some cars that you see, but no backed up cars down any streets. Definitely no honking like we're used to in New York City. I wonder if it's just very encouraged to take public transportation here. Seems like there's a lot available, like these trolleys we see all around, and I think they also have like a metro system.
And bikes. There's a lot of bike lanes and a lot of bikers and scooters. First stop in Helsinki is Cafe Engel, which is a really cute cafe just across from the Senate Square. That's going to be the starting point of our walking tour.
What I have in front of me is this smoked salmon on black bread. Salmon in Finland has been really great.
This isn't our first day in Finland. We've actually spent almost a week in Saariselkä, in a very, very secluded area of Finland. And so finally we're back to our comfort zone, which is a more...
Exploring a city,
Yeah, more of a city environment. And it is nice to just see people on the street and not just barren, cold wasteland.
Yes, we already feel a little bit more at home.
Oh, this salmon looks so good.
Dig in. I also have to say, I lied before because I said we were going to come here for the cinnamon roll, but I don't think that they have them. But we did still get dessert that we're going to get to later, which is this amazing looking blueberry pie.
Oh, this is blueberry pie. It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Another thing that I want to bring up, because it caught me by surprise, and if you love blueberries, Finland is famous for their blueberries. If you're flying Finnair into Helsinki, which is the hub for Finnair, they serve a famous blueberry juice. And I've never had blueberry juice before, and it is
Delicious.
amazing. Yeah.
It's so good.
We have a slice of blueberry and mascarpone.
So far, every blueberry thing we've had in Finland has been amazing. So let's see if this lives up to that same hype.
No surprises. It's completely it's like primarily blueberry with almost like a thin crust of dough.
This one's kind of easier to review, but less exciting to listen to, because it just tastes like a bunch of blueberries sitting on top of a crust.
Miguel is starting his walking tour.
And this is our trainee, Cian.
Hi everyone.
printed for the Finnish audience. Baby, you're a song. You make me want to roll my windows down and cruise. Wow, profound.
Walking tour still going very strong. Miguel and Cian are doing a really good job. They're saying a lot of facts, and we are learning a lot about Finland and the buildings and the history and stuff like that, but also interspersed are things that are definitely false, that I cannot tell the difference. So if you hear any false facts, sorry. Very good job. How are you feeling so far, halfway through the tour?
My pockets are feeling a bit light.
I'm learning a lot as I'm teaching it, so that's fun.
Vingaci sutelen lampasti.
Is that?
Tips are encouraged.
Are strongly encouraged.
We had a quick pit stop at a bar, and now we are heading over to dinner, which is traditional Finnish food. I'm actually really excited. The menu says they use traditional Finnish ingredients from the Finnish farms and forests.
Well, and the waiters and waitstaff wear traditional loggers.
Oh,
outfits.
I didn't know that. And the menu has moose, elk,
Goose burger, bear stew.
bear, yes.
And we have also the ham. This is like a lamb pate. The Finnish cheese with some balsamic oil on top. The Finnish bread.
I've never had bear before, and we have a little bit of bear in a cup. It is not gamey at all.
Really?
It is very much just like raised beef.
Okay. We just finished an amazing Finnish dinner, and now we wanted to go just grab a quick drink at this cocktail bar, but we were having a hard time finding it. I guess it's a speakeasy, so we have to figure out how to get in.
We are in Helsinki's only speakeasy, and there's a strict no videos, no camera policy. So I'm pretending to poop so that I can get footage for the vlog. But it is 100 years ago, this was a police agency, and during the Prohibition, obviously the detectives were working to find anywhere that was selling booze illegally, and now it's a speakeasy.
We just got done having really amazing cocktails at the speakeasy.
Each cocktail has a story, so actually some of the decisions that were made were based on if the story resonated with the person.
Yeah.
So oh, it's our last night in Helsinki. Okay, that's true. I want to get this.
Really awesome spot. We definitely recommend it. And now we are off to maybe stop by another bar. We found a place that looks like it might have some live music, so we're gonna stop by, check it out. It is a little bit past midnight, so we may also just go home instead because we do have a flight to catch tomorrow, but let's see where the night takes us. We're in On the Rocks. We're at the Backstreet Boys fan club. Can't you hear it? Put that away. They're gonna kick us out.
We're at a rock bar, and everyone's got leather on, and everyone's kind of bit intimidating, but everyone's really nice. And if anyone's gonna get beat up here,
It's over for me. It seems like their version of beer and a shot is a Jager and a lager.
Jager and lager, down the hatch. Keep peace.
Keep peace.
We are at Millie Kluby.
Alright. I hear ABBA, always a good sign. We love ABBA.
Is there nobody in
There's a
this?
chandelier.
The tourist trap. Truly.
We just walked into a random nightclub and
Really cluby.
we're at Millie Kluby. There's not a lot of people here, but there are people here, and we are here. And so let's see.
Those people. That is us.
There's a lot of different scenes and a lot of different sections, and we're gonna see them all.
Check out every room.
In Finland, it's cold, so let's get in this ice box.
Somewhere in here. Is there really?
We are walking out of the Millie Kluby.
So much fun.
It was actually pretty fun for a Thursday night. But the thing is, the real way that you judge a city's nightlife is the street food.
The seagulls around here are huge. They're just waiting by the food trucks.
Look at how big they are.
I kind of want to pet it. It looks so fluffy.
What'd you order?
I have no idea.
Yeah, the menu's in Finnish, but there's pictures.
He said some syllables to me and I was like, yes, absolutely. Yes.
Oh, that looks so good.
Okay, Kitos. Yes. Okay, we got the oralihis here. Oh, it's a heavy boy.
Oh my God, it's hefty. Wow.
Okay, we got oralihis, or a pork wrap, I believe.
It looks like there's pork meat, but also a patty and a bunch of other sauces and lettuces. Kind of almost the size of your head.
This is mostly a bread and sauce bite. That doesn't count.
Go over here with the meat.
Even the bread and sauce bite was good.
So I went over there. I wanted it spicy, and he just poured sriracha over the spot I was gonna bite, and like I guess that was meant to make up for the whole wrap.
Hope you like spicy.
It's good shit.
This is good.
Now you need to go back over there for every bite
I know.
and get more
That's
hot
the
sauce for every
problem.
bite.
This is a damn near perfect late night food.
All right, we had such a fun night, and we probably will have digestion issues.
No.
We'll see you in the morning.
We've just got a couple hours left here in Helsinki. We're gonna try to get a cinnamon roll.
Yes, finally, the elusive cinnamon roll that we tried to get yesterday.
Let's see if we have enough time to maybe check out some shops, grab some souvenirs, and see what we can do for the next
2 hours before our flight.
Korvapuusti Orfu. Korvapuusti Orfu. Let's see if that's anywhere near how it's supposed to sound. We've got rooibos tea, some coffee, and the infamous Korvapuusti.
Looks good.
The finish out there. Let me know if I nailed it. Korvapuusti. I think I nailed it.
It looks like I'm really excited about these huge bits of sugar on top. That's really good. It's like a cinnamon roll with more spices. Yeah, it's like a more flavorful cinnamon roll. I really like it.
Moomin seems to be really big here in Finland. Our friend Mindy kept buying all these Moomin-related little trinkets, and it's actually even in the National Library of Finland. We saw Moomin highlighted in the library during our guided walking tour.
I don't understand what it is, but it looks so cute.
We found the Moomin guide. Let's learn about what we're actually looking at here. The Moomins are a family of white and roundish trolls with large snouts.
They're very cute.
The author, Tove Jansson, a Swedish-speaking Finnish writer and artist,
They're
who
novels
achieved
and picture books. Okay, got it.
worldwide
got it.
fame.
That's
Okay,
what
I see.
that's the answer that we needed.
Say cheese, Moomin.
Now we're gonna check out the old market. It seems like it's just a bunch of food and hopefully souvenir stalls. Maybe we'll try another local snack.
Canned moose. Canned reindeer. Reindeer jerky. That look tasty.
I want all of that, yes. Wow.
Should we get one? What I've got here is the lohi tartar lepa, or in English, salmon tartar bread. We walked by and couldn't say no.
That's just what it looks like. A lot of fresh salmon.
Finnish salmon is next level.
Yeah. I like this bread a lot too. They have a lot of this like brown bread, which I think is maybe rye.
Yeah, yesterday we went to this cafe and got like salmon toast, and we thought it'd be like a little shaved salmon, and it was like a whole steak.
Yeah. A lot of salmon in these 24 hours in Helsinki. I think I've had salmon for every meal.
I'm not mad about it.
Yeah, no, I love it.
We are at about hour 23 of our 24 hours in Helsinki, and we're about to grab a taxi to the beautiful Helsinki airport. There's a lot of like trees and really pretty scenery in that airport. So
It's a really nice airport. Just like Helsinki is a really nice city. Honestly, 24 hours here was perfect.
it is a small city.
Yeah.
It is definitely a small city.
The highlight for me was definitely the food. I think I had salmon for almost every meal and it did not disappoint at all. And just walking around, the city is really walkable, super
Yes.
clean, not a lot of traffic. I loved our 24 hours here. It does make me want to explore some more Nordic countries, but I have to say we should come back when it's a little bit warmer.
Yeah, and the only tip I would have is, depending on the season that you visit, bring vitamin D supplements.
We haven't seen the sun for a week.
We haven't seen the sun for a week, and obviously we're pretty cheery now, but it's taking a toll on us, so it's time to go back to the city. All
See
right,
you next time.
our walking tour, our
Our walking tour.
24 hours in Hill. Where are we? The icebox is cool. Get it?
What'd you